Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix anti-malware services executable high disk usage in Windows 10 or 11. So in this case, just go here, the search icon, and write task scheduler. Open it. Now click on task scheduler library, double click. Now click on Microsoft. Now click on Windows. Now if we see this, find here Windows Defender. In W section you will find this one, Windows Defender. Double click on this. Now you just see like this, so you can see the full thing. Drag and drop like this. Run with high privilege unchecked. Now click on the third link, Windows Defender Scheduler scanned. Now you'll find here this thing, run with highly privileged. Uncheck this and click on OK. Now go to conditions. Here you'll find conditions. Go to power settings section and make it, and uncheck all of this. You can see this checked, but you need to uncheck this. After uncheck, close this, and now go to Windows Security. Click on the open. Click on virus and threat protection. Now click here, virus and threat protection settings, manage settings. Now scroll down just, and you'll find here this exclusion. Under this exclusion you'll find here add or remove exclusion. Click on this, click on yes. Now just go add exclusion, file. Now go local disk C and go program files. Now go Windows Defender. Double click and find MSMPENG. This one .exe. Find here mspng and click on open. Here's the file. Now click again, add an exclusion. Now click on file. Now find again mscpg, that thing. This one, sorry, just go file, this one, click on this, so it will be here. Now copy this thing and cancel, and click on again, add an exclusion. Now go for file type, this one, file type, and enter your thing like this, add. Okay, now restart your computer. If it still doesn't work, then you have to go here last time for the Windows Security. you have to delete the real-time protection. Sorry, you have to go virus and threat protection, not Windows security. I'm really sorry for this. Go here, virus and security protection, open, and you'll find here real time. You have to find real time under this virus and threat protection. Click on manage settings and turn this off. Click on yes, but this is not recommended. It's like for short term. You are in a gaming mode or you are working something, then you can do this. Then after complete your work, you just enable this. Okay, so yeah guys, this will fix your problem, I hope. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.